Imagine waking up every morning feeling calmer, breathing fresher air and sleeping better, without changing your mattress or buying expensive gadgets. What if one simple plant in your bedroom could quietly improve your sleep, reduce stress, and boost your home's energy? Today I'll show you 5 of the best easy care indoor plants for your bedroom. Perfect even if you've never cared for a plant before. Let's turn your bedroom into a peaceful green sanctuary. Bedroom plants aren't just decoration. The right plants can improve air quality, create a calming atmosphere, support better sleep, and bring positive, relaxing energy into your space. And the best part? These plants are low maintenance, meaning they thrive with minimal effort. Plant number 1, snake plant. The snake plant is often called the ultimate bedroom plant. Benefits: releases oxygen at night, unlike most plants, helps improve air quality, creates a clean, modern look, symbolizes protection and positive energy. This makes it ideal for placing near your bed or bedroom corner. Light: low light to bright indirect light. Water: once every 2 to 3 weeks, less is more. Maintenance: almost none. If you forget to water plants often, this one forgives you. Best placement: near the bed, beside a nightstand, or near the bedroom entrance. Plant number 2, pothos. Pothos is one of the easiest indoor plants in the world and perfect for bedrooms. Benefits: reduces stress visually with soft trailing leaves, helps remove indoor toxins, adds a cozy, relaxing vibe, grows beautifully even in low light. Its cascading vines create a calming, natural flow in your room. Care guide: light, low to medium indirect light. Water: once the top soil feels dry. Maintenance: very beginner-friendly. Best placement: on shelves, hanging planters, or near a window with curtains. Plant number 3, peace lily. The peace lily is perfect if you want both beauty and benefits. Benefits: helps improve humidity in dry bedrooms. Known for air-purifying qualities, white blooms symbolize peace and calm, creates a spa-like atmosphere. Many people say a peace lily instantly makes a room feel serene and balanced. Care guide: light, low to medium indirect light. Water, about once a week. Maintenance: easy, but likes consistent care. Best placement: on a bedside table, dresser, or quiet corner of the room. Plant number 4, lavender. Lavender is famous for its sleep-enhancing aroma. Benefits: helps reduce anxiety and stress, promotes deeper, calmer sleep. Natural fragrance, no artificial scents needed, creates a soothing nighttime routine. Just having lavender nearby can help your mind relax before sleep. Care guide: light, bright light or sunny window. Water, light watering when soil is dry. Maintenance: moderate but worth it. Best placement: near a window or bedside where the scent can gently spread. Plant number 5, ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is perfect for busy lifestyles. Benefits: extremely low maintenance, thrives in low-light bedrooms, adds a polished, modern look, associated with stability and calm energy. It's ideal for people who travel or forget plant care often. Care guide: light, low to medium light. Water, once every 2 to 3 weeks. Maintenance: almost indestructible. Best placement: bedroom corners, floor planters, or near wardrobes. Best final tips: don't overcrowd your bedroom with plants. Choose 1 to 3 plants for balance. Keep leaves clean for better airflow. Always avoid overwatering. Your bedroom should be a place of rest, healing, and calm, and the right plants can make a powerful difference. Which of these plants would you add to your bedroom first? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more peaceful home and plant ideas. Sleep better, live greener, and I'll see you in the next video.